Cindy who?
Cindy Lou. Cindy Lou.
I was videotaping her trying to find a place to go to the bathroom, and I stopped it just in time.
No. Oh, you should have.
Because then all of a sudden she stopped and had a place to go. I think really she just didn't have a choice, and she finally realized it.
Good girl, Cindy Lou.
Mm.
Good girl, Cindy Lou. Look, she's going down the path. Okay, Cindy Lou, go down the path. I think she's done there.
Yeah, I think she is too.
Treat. Good girl.
The path that she did not use to go potty.
Good girl. Look, she sees people, she starts going.
I know.
She's the friendliest dog. Watch out, Cindy Lou.
Cindy Lou, stop. Come.
Treat.
Show us your beard.
Your milk beard.
Got milk? So stop.